Can I link my Capitec account to PayPal?
Hello and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we're going to walk through how to link your Capitec Bank account to PayPal. This process is important for people who would like to make secure online payments, receive money, or do international business.
What do you need to link your Capitec account to PayPal?
First, let's go over what you need to get started. 1. A Capitec Bank account. 2. A PayPal account. 3. Your banking details. Make sure you have access to these before you start.
How do you link your Capitec Bank account to PayPal?
Let's dive into the process. 1. Sign in to your PayPal account. 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. 3. Here, you'll find an option to link a card or bank. Click on that. 4. You will be prompted to input your banking details, including your Capitec Bank account number. 5. After you've entered your details, click Link Your Bank. Remember, all the details you enter should be exactly as they appear on your Capitec Bank account. This ensures the process runs smoothly.
How can you verify your linked bank account?
After linking, it's important to verify your bank account. PayPal will make a small deposit into your bank account. This is to confirm that you're the rightful owner of the account. Once you see this deposit, 1. Log into your PayPal account. 2. Go to the Wallet section. 3. Click on the bank account you have just added. 4. You will see an option to confirm. 5. Enter the amount that was deposited into your account by PayPal. After this, your Capitec Bank account is not only linked but also verified. And that's it. You've now successfully linked your Capitec Bank account to PayPal. It's a straightforward process, and it allows you to conduct transactions securely and conveniently. We hope you found this guide useful and straightforward. Happy transacting!